going to be talking to you about the Cascade Platinum dishwashing pods. Oh, I love this brand. I've been using it for years on years, just the Cascade brand in general. These particular pods I really like because they're effective and efficient. You're basically getting 4 products in one. You're getting your dishwashing detergent, your rinse to keep your dishes from having spots. You have an extra liquid in here to help remove stains, basically, to help to lift the food. And then you also have a lemon scent in this particular Platinum Cascade pod. So I typically use these a couple times a week. They get my dishes really clean. I just gently rinse them and place them in the dishwasher. It's a great product. I love it. I'll continue to use it.